and we are back again with a new video. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I will be talking about 4 side hustles that can earn you passive income. But before we get started, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe if you are new. Passive income is one of the essential tools for building wealth and reaching financial freedom. Now, here are 4 side hustles that can allow you to earn passive income so you can do just that. The first side hustle is opening a free account with an online broker and investing some of your money in an index fund like the S&P 500, which returns about 7% a year on average. Meaning by simply investing and holding for a year, you can expect a 7% increase in your invested money. Second, you can sell your expertise about whatever as an ebook. I recommend selling your ebook on a platform like Gumroad from $5 to $40 and promote it on Twitter and Instagram and make money while you sleep. If you do not have a large following, you can promote your ebook by messaging bigger accounts to promote it on their page. This can be very lucrative if done correctly. I will probably make a separate video on this side hustle alone because of how lucrative it can be. The third side hustle is affiliate marketing. You can get started quickly by simply signing up for Amazon Associates and sharing your product links with your friends and family. And you will earn commission on each sale. Commission percent will vary based on product. Fourth, start a YouTube channel. Now, depending on which niche and what type of videos you are making, this side hustle may take a lot of work, but it can also be a lot of fun and become very lucrative in the long run. When starting on YouTube, aim for 1 video every week. The goal is to get monetized and get paid when people watch the ad before and in between your videos. This happens once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, each of these side hustles can change your life for the simple fact that each one of these side hustles can earn you passive income. And for those who do not know what passive income is, it is money made with little to no daily work in simple terms. Like with the stock market, you invest one time or set up recurring automatic investments, and you potentially see your money grow 7% yearly. With the ebooks, you can write an ebook one time or even hire someone to write the book for you and sell the ebook for the rest of your life. If you just hold 1 ebook each day for a year, that is an extra $7,000 plus a year you would be making. That $7,000 is pre-tax. What is great about all 4 of these side hustles is that you can tie them all together. For example, say you start a YouTube channel. Before you even get monetized by YouTube, you monetize your channel by placing affiliate links and even the Gumroad link to your ebook in the description section of your video. Then, once you get monetized by YouTube, you can invest the income made from your YouTube ad revenue along with the income earned from your ebook sales and affiliate commission into the S&P 500. This can be a great wealth building strategy. Now that's it for this week's video. If you want to learn how you can make an extra $100 per day with the power of Instagram, then you for sure should check out last week's video, which breaks down 3 very lucrative ways to make money on Instagram. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section which of these 4 side hustles you are thinking about starting and what topic you want talked about next. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you again next week. Don't forget to hit that like button.